Today I'm showing you how I created this stunning makeup look inspired by the Pantone Colour of the Year, Mocha Mousse. If you're interested in makeup and beauty videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's begin. Using a hydrating primer to prime the skin, we want to have a hydrated, glowing skin to complement the earthy tones of Mocha Mousse for a natural finish. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Next, evening out the skin with concealer to cover spots and hyperpigmentation, just to have a smooth base before we go in with foundation. For foundation, I'm using a medium coverage foundation. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation to keep the look natural yet polished. Blending it into the skin using the Makeup by Mario F4 brush. Recently, I have been loving this brush. Adding liquid highlighter just to give that lit from within radiant glow on the cheekbone, forehead, nose bridge, and the chin. To give the skin a warm sun-kissed look, I'm using the Nars Laguna Cream Bronzer, which ties in nicely with the color theme. Applying it to the cheekbone, jawline, temples for a soft dimension, and also the side of the nose bridge. Next, using Tarte Creaseless Full Coverage Concealer to brighten under the eyes, focusing on the inner corners for a fresh look. This is a full coverage waterproof concealer that does not sit in fine lines. Setting the center of the face with translucent powder. Next, using Maybelline Fit Me powder to set everywhere else. And follow up with powder bronzer, placing it in the same place where we applied that cream bronzer. Sometimes powder, after you apply the face powder, it can wash out the color, so we want to ensure that after we set the face, we still have that bronze look. And down the side of the bridge of the nose to define it. Using MAC Ginger Blush, this is a warm tone light brown matte blush that complements the Mocha Mousse palette. Blending upwards for a lifted effect. Then use a champagne tone highlighter on the eye points of the face, cheekbone, sides of the forehead, bridge of the nose. This adds a subtle glow without overpowering the earthy tones. Using a dark brown brow pencil to fill and shape the brows, keeping the brows soft and natural to complement the earthy tones that we're working with. And set the brow hair in place with Benefit Brow Wax. This is a pigmented brow wax that holds brow hair in place. Next, to create the Mocha Mousse eye, I'm using Bobbi Brown Bark eyeshadow stick, applying it on the eyelid from the lash line all the way up near the crease. Then use a flat eyeshadow brush to blend the edges into the crease. To further blend out the edges, I'm using the same blush, MAC Ginger blush, that I use on the cheeks for a gradient look to blend out the crease. Applying another coat of the Bark eyeshadow to the lower eyelid and blend. This cream eyeshadow stick lasts for 24 hours. It prime and define your eyes. You don't need to use a primer when using this eyeshadow stick. Using another Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick in shade Golden Amber to highlight the tear duct. Lining the eyes and creating a subtle wing using Stilla brown eyeliner pen. Then I'm using a lighter shade concealer to sharpen the wing and blend it out. This helps to lift the corners of the eyes. Coating lashes with mascara. Next, using a brown eyeliner to line the lower lash line and set it with the same powder blush. Completing the eyes with a lower lash mascara. And adding lash extension to further enhance the eyes. For the lips, you can use a chocolate or mocha brown lip liner to define and enhance the shape, using Makeup Forever Limitless brown lip liner to line the lips. And for lipstick, you can choose a lipstick or lip gloss that is brown, nude, or any brown shade that complements the Mocha Mousse, using Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Hot Chocolate. And adding Huda Beauty Honey Lip Gloss to the center of the lips. And lock the makeup in place with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray for a natural radiant finish. This Mocha Mousse inspired look is perfect for any occasion. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this earthy trend. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.